the actual interface between the Arduino and the HVAC unit will, of course, depend on the HVAC unit itself. In our case, our unit is controlled by a knob that you turn clockwise and counterclockwise to turn the fan on and off. So I have a servo motor currently in the prototype held in place by pieces of cardboard, but connected to it is a 3D printed part that replaces the knob and connects directly to the shaft of the controller. And so when we turn it on and off, the motor turns clockwise and counterclockwise to turn the system on and off. So here we go. Let's turn it on and to turn it off. And on again, clockwise. And off again, counterclockwise.